Hey guys, obviously I just got out of the shower and I'm not ready for the day, but I realized that I didn't charge my computer or my phone last night, so both of those need to charge, and I have a lot of work to do for freelance today, but while that stuff charges, I'm going to actually make some vintage flag banners. I'll show you guys what I am going to make. I have technically four sets to do, but also I'm trying to let my hair air dry. I don't want to use the hair dryer because it's, damaging for your hair. So that's why I'm also not ready yet. Later today we are gonna go on a picnic, as well as probably get some more mudding done in the secret project room. I'm so excited just to get the freaking mudding done. Like, so annoying. And then obviously I have to finish up all my freelance work today and then possibly go out and I'll show you guys what I'm working on for furniture. The furniture stuff has been kind of slow lately because freelance social media stuff has been a little bit crazy. I'm okay with that. It pays my bills, But yeah, so let's first start with making these vintage flag banners. They're gonna be for sale. I don't know, I'll probably bring them to the shop in Stewartville, Minnesota and put them up for sale there. But I'm so excited. I think they're so cute. They'd be so perfect for like a little kid's room, or I don't know, even I would put them in my room. But let me show you guys what they look like. So this is what I'm making. I crocheted the little flags and then I'm using twine to put them on to make them like a banner. So I think they're so cute. I have different ones. I have 3 more sets of these colors, and then I have one color one, and then a one that has that like a light blue and a white every other. But yeah, so over here I have the sets that I still need to do with the twine. So I'm gonna do that while I wait for my computer to charge, and hopefully my phone doesn't die while I'm filming. Okay, I finished putting them together. 3 sets. I just think they're so cute. Like if I had a son or a daughter, I would be going all out for their birthday parties or just whatever. Like this could be used for any kind of like celebration, but I just think it'd be so cute in a little kid's room. Can you say hi? Hi. Cohen, can you say hi? Strawberry sunglasses. Whoa, those are pretty cool. Can you put them on? Okay, that's what they say. Can you do it?
That's a gobble gobble.
Can you say the gobble gobble?
Gobble 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 gobble.
I can't do it either. It's okay. Look, he might do it again.
We don't mind. We just look.
Okay, we are out in the garage now, and I was just gonna show you guys some of the projects that we have here in the garage. One is like majorly in process. Some haven't even been touched yet. Then we have a whole storage unit that has furniture that I haven't even touched yet. But let's go through and look at what we have going on here. So the one that's like pretty much the biggest one that's in process right now is this top of a hutch that I am painting. We added a new top, and then we're gonna add like peg legs to the bottom of it, and we'll sell that one once it's finished, obviously. And then we have, well, it's hard, these leather cushions to go to this chair that has stuff on it that I need to finish sanding. And then they're on top of a side table that I don't think needs much work. We'll see. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do to that. I just haven't had time to get to it. This dresser over here, pretty old dresser. Not exactly sure what I'm doing with that either. It was pretty bad veneer. Like, this isn't really that bad, but over here is just an example. And then let's go back here. We have this tabletop that we still need to do. I'm gonna totally strip it and then sand it and stain it a different color. And then the base is actually in the storage unit. And we have lots of other furniture in the storage unit still. So I gotta get working. But obviously you can see this big open space right here. This is where that big table, I'll put a picture on the screen, was sitting for like, I feel like a month. It's kind of like the longest piece of furniture I've held on to. Usually they sell pretty, like within 2 weeks. But finally it's gone, so I can add more furniture. So yeah, that's what we got going on in the shop. Hopefully we can get some furniture moving. Find some time to get it done. Okay, so that's all for today's video. It's kind of a quick little random one. Just keeping you guys updated on what's going on. Because freelance social media work has been taking up a lot of my time, as well as doing the secret project room. That's a big project that I'm working on. So I can't necessarily show you everything that's going on in there, because eventually we'll release the whole series at once so that you guys can watch from the beginning to the end. But yeah, that's a big work in progress, taking up a lot of time. But other than that, I plan to keep you guys updated as much as possible. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.